I'm at my dealership again. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. I'm at my dealership again and bought another mower. Okay, I'm trying to partner up with a young man named Darius of Quality Cutz. So got Blake in the background right there. He's talking to the wife. Well, we're trying to team up because you know what I say? I can't cut all this grass by myself. But as you can see, hey, I got a John Deere hat. So the owner said, hey, here you go, man. We really appreciate you coming in and patronizing us. And he threw in some blades. Now, where you get that from? Only from a good dealer who you are in business with. They do things like that. So I greatly appreciate it. So fam, I got this John Deere 950Z 60-inch deck, and I got it for $8,700, and pretty much it only had 81 hours on it, which means that this bad boy is still brand spanking new. So not only do I get it for a used mower, but I also get the warranty on it, which is 1,300 hours. So once again, fam, it's important to build a relationship with your dealer. They'll definitely help your business grow. I done said it in the past and I'll say it again. The reason why I'm rolling with John Deere, it's a local dealer, and with that I get the warranties. With that, I get someone who can operate on my equipment, and if you tell them that you are a commercial grade business, pretty much they'll try to move you to the front of the line, so you won't be sitting there without a mower. And plus, this dealership has what is called loaner mowers again. So shout out to Ag Pro and Blake. Thank you guys for really working with me and giving me the best deal in the neighborhood of Conyers. So go check them out and tell them Quick Cut sent you. All right, y'all. So kudos to you, Jeff, for taking care of the guys who come in and patronize your business. I can really appreciate it. And all my lawn care family out there can appreciate it too, because every cent that you save helps your business grow. So make sure you go out there and get in a relationship with your dealer. It doesn't matter what you're thinking. What it matters is that you start a relationship with them. And I know some of us saying, well, I don't have this much money, I don't have that much. Hey, go into your dealer. They will work with you, man. They will work with you. So cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Oh, my wife got one too. Peace.